Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I want to ask you the first question. Everybody here knows who is Warren Buffett? Yes. Imagine for a moment that I'm Warren Buffett. It's easy to imagine because me and Warren Buffett, we are like twins, you know, it's very easy. We are brothers. So if Warren Buffett say you today, okay, what is your name, please? Gonzalo. If Warren Buffett come here and say you today, Gonzalo, let's invest in light, you will do it? Because it's Warren Buffett, right? For me, in AI, one of the Warren Buffett is OpenAI, Anthropic, but today we'll talk about OpenAI, okay? If you review the last news in these weeks, we'll hear things about MCP, H2P, is the new protocol that AI engineers create to use for AI agents. It's very important, this word, agents, because all the AI industry is going to agents. So today, in the end of this conversation we'll have here, we'll be able to know how to use OpenAI Agents SDK, is the last framework of design and orchestrated AI agents to create real projects. And the most important thing, you will know what is the question you have to ask your engineer or your AI designer to tell him, okay, if you want to design an AI project, you have to make these basics. If you don't have these basics, the project doesn't work, okay? So